iPhone SE2 production will be launched in December. Rumors have repeatedly appeared on the network regarding a potentially popular smartphone, iPhone SE2. This time, an insider from the Middle Kingdom shared his information on this device. The author says that in December the manufacturer will begin to overstock its storage facilities with devices. And this means only one thing: in the very near future we should expect the presentation of the iPhone SE2. Past leaks assured us that before February 2020, a smartphone should not be expected. However, Apple managed to replay everything, and now we are all waiting for the release of such an interesting device. Heats up interest in that the device is likely to receive the top-end Apple A13 chipset, which is also used on the flagship iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. As for the cost, the novelty in China is estimated at no more than 3,000 yuan. In terms of a dollar, it will amount to 420 evergreen notes. But when you can expect the start of sales, there is no information. But if the device will be in the company's warehouses in December, it is unlikely that it will be delayed with the start of sales.